Yo, what's up, YouTube? Here's the second part of this break. I'm gonna do platinum wrestling. Actually, thought I'd get something for everybody, every type of collector: basketball, football, baseball. You know, comes with 3 X Factor cards. Right here, I'll open them first. 3 X Factor cards here. Hold on. 3 X Factors and 3 packs. So we'll do the X Factors exclusive. So the first card is a Brian Pillman X Factor. Luke Gallows, I don't know all these people, but I know most. And Vicky Guerrero. Ugh, so not that good. Okay. First pack of platinum. Here's the back of the cards too, if you're wondering. Here's a close-up. And then here's the back. I'm guessing these have the same design as platinum baseball. I'm not really expecting anything out of any of these, but Tiffany, Junkyard Dog, a thick card of the Great Khali. I guess these are all, no, this is a refractor, I'm pretty sure. Okay, this is Platinum Performance of Eve. And then a Road Warrior Hawk. So here are these cards again: quick: Eve, Great Khali, thick card, Junkyard Dog, Tiffany, and Road Warrior Hawk. Okay, next pack. Platinum. We got Don Muraco, Beth Phoenix, Alicia Fox, Vader is our thick card, and British Bulldog. One more last pack of platinum. Then that'll conclude this video. That's my dog in the background, if you can hear her. Okay. Like I said, I wasn't expecting anything out of this anyway. Natalia, Kelly, thick card, Evan Bourne, Legendary Superstars. And on the back, Evan Bourne on the front, Jimmy Superfly Snuka on the back, and then we have Chavo Guerrero and Mark Henry. So not that great. So that concludes this video, and next we'll do some basketball. So.